Welcome to Boosters Advertising. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful AI tools available for your business, ChatGPT. If you're looking to save time, streamline operations, and automate repetitive tasks, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to automate various aspects of your business, from customer service to content creation. Let's get started. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's highly versatile and can be applied to many aspects of your business. Whether you're handling customer inquiries, generating reports, writing emails, or even managing your social media content, ChatGPT can do it all with ease. The real power of ChatGPT lies in its ability to handle tasks that would otherwise consume hours of your valuable time. So, let's explore some key areas where ChatGPT can help automate your business. First up, customer support. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can respond to customer queries 24/7. ChatGPT can be integrated into your website's live chat feature to handle common customer questions, such as order status inquiries, product information, FAQs, troubleshooting common issues. You can even train ChatGPT to escalate more complex issues to a human representative. This saves your support team time while providing your customers with quick responses. Over time, this will improve customer satisfaction and help your business operate more efficiently. Next, let's talk about marketing and content creation. Writing blog posts, social media content, and marketing emails can be time-consuming, but with ChatGPT, you can speed up this process. Need blog post ideas or social media captions? Simply prompt ChatGPT with a topic or a few keywords, and it will generate content that's engaging and relevant. You can also use it to create ad copy, email newsletters, and video scripts like the one you're watching right now. With ChatGPT, content creation becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on scaling your business while AI handles the writing. ChatGPT isn't just limited to external tasks. It can also streamline your internal operations. For instance, you can use it to write and format emails, generate reports, organize meeting agendas, automate task reminders. Think about how much time you'll save when mundane, everyday tasks like these are automated. ChatGPT can easily be integrated with platforms like Slack, Gmail, and project management tools, creating a seamless workflow for you and your team. Finally, ChatGPT can assist in decision-making by generating data summaries or extracting key insights from lengthy documents. Whether you're analyzing customer feedback, sales reports, or market trends, ChatGPT can condense that information into digestible takeaways. This allows you to make more informed decisions without having to sift through piles of data. It can even help you draft professional emails or proposals, ensuring that you're communicating clearly and effectively without spending hours revising. As you can see, ChatGPT offers endless possibilities for automating your business. From customer support and content creation to internal processes and data analysis, it's a game changer for business owners looking to save time and resources. So why not start today? Implement ChatGPT in your business and watch how it transforms your operations. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business automation tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.